organizations that deal with criminal offenses, Mr. Speaker, the EACC, the DCI, and here 3 years later, issues come up and you are told that 7 years later, you are told that he had a matter pending either in somewhere, the money that he has stolen. But more importantly, Mr. Speaker, the issue that you are being invited, Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you, Mr. Speaker, as the Speaker of this House, as you ruled, it is true, we have no role in this matter now because it's before the court. But as the Speaker, and also I want to assure you that we are not here to defend anyone. But Mr. Speaker, having had consultation with the minority leader, I wanted to bring out a perspective. Mr. Speaker, as a senior lawyer, you are aware that the constitutional officers and independent officers report to this House, Mr. Speaker. This is where they report to. They don't report to the executive, they don't report to the judiciary. So we are addressing this issue in a holistic manner, because Magret Nyakang'os will not be the last person or the last constitutional office holder that will be prosecuted or will be charged. There are others who are going to come after her, maybe. So we wanted, as a matter of national concern, how do we address as a country when a constitutional office holder is charged? The issue the minority leader was raising is, are the provisions in the Constitution in terms of removal of a constitutional office holder, removal of office, are they suspended when they are prosecuted? That is one of the major issues he was trying to point out. Because as the majority leader has said, he's also a constitutional office holder. But the constitutional does not provide in any way his removal. It's provided in the standing orders.
You are also whistling in the dark, my friend.
No, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. But what made me also, Mr. Speaker, last night have sleepless night, Mr. Speaker, this lady that has been charged, and also we have to look at things retrospectively. As a House, we passed this lady here, and I participated in 2019 in passing her as the controller of budget, Mr. Speaker, after a thorough vetting by the Committee of Finance, Mr. Speaker. Didn't we know that she had a case at that point in time? What indictment is that making on us as Parliament, Mr. Speaker? Because she came with documents from relevant organizations that deal with criminal offenses, Mr. Speaker, the EACC, the DCI, and here 3 years later, issues come up and you are told that 7 years later, you are told that she had a matter pending either in somewhere, the money that she has stolen. But more importantly, Mr. Speaker, the issue that you are being invited, Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you, Mr. Speaker, as the Speaker of this House, as you ruled, it is true, we have no role in this matter now because it's before the court. But as the Speaker of this House, Mr. Speaker, you have a constitutional mandate to defend and protect the Constitution, and especially constitutional office holders. It is the Speaker who can defend them, Mr. Speaker. And secondly, and more important, Mr. Speaker, the issue that has been raised in this country yesterday, issues of weighty matter, control of budget, Mr. Speaker, you remember a long time, it used to be auditor and controller. There is a reason why the two officers were separated under the new constitution. Otherwise, we should have remained just like the old. Mr. Speaker, I submit. I have said what I want.
I'm still at a total loss as to what you people want. Honorable members, let's not prejudice Dr. Nyakang'os' case. That's number one. Number two, if what Honorable Wandai is alleging, and he has evidence to show to the Speaker, then the Speaker will have some locus on the matter. As it is